Welcome to Newpark Terrace Residence 60, a freshly updated 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhome in Park City, ready just for you. Not only is this residence an end unit with oversized private decks, but its unique orientation provides it with more natural light and unobstructed views of Swaner Nature Preserve and the ski runs than any other residence in the private gated community of Newpark Terrace. The 1,658 square foot residence features an open floor plan, spacious master bedroom, ensuite bathrooms, a private one-car garage, and ample storage, great for use as an owner's lockout should you choose to utilize this property for nightly rentals. Its location within the Kimball Junction area of Park City provides the ultimate inconvenience, with ease of access to every amenity you could desire. Walk to coffee shops, restaurants, grocery stores, multiple diverse fitness studios, Basin Recreation, Swaner Nature Preserve, and the adjoining walking and biking trails, which connect you to the heart of Park City and beyond. This residence is also located proximally to the public transit routes, which take you directly to Park City and Deer Valley ski resort base areas, as well as Park City Main Street. This prime location benefits daily commuters, being just a stone's throw to the I-80 for quick access into Salt Lake City and Salt Lake International Airport.